Look at that gold. What's up, Denny?
What's up, Steven? How we doing tonight?
All right, what's up, everybody? How are you? Wow, what a beautiful day here today, man. Great day. Gold, unbelievable in the morning. S&Ps traded down to 62, 68.18. Rallied, underlying support on those ETFs. What's up, everybody? How are you? How are you, everybody? Hope everybody had a great day trading. Everybody have a great day trading. Kabashi 7, how are you? 7. I tell you, this gold is good. Denny, you don't trade gold, do you?
I did not touch it otherwise, just as...
That Nasdaq was a good long on that push down just now.
No, Q, I did not catch the... Hold that gold.
Which one? Oh, I mean, do you see what this gold did today? This gold was absolutely on Prozac today.
Great.
This gold this morning, look at this thing. Look at this gold. Sitting here on the 15, right? Sitting here. Boom. Now, look at this pattern here, right? I'm going to show you this pattern here. All right. First of all, if you're going to trade gold, you need to look at the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session, right? So look at this gold. It's trading 42.42, trades up to 57, and then kaboom, up to 70, right? Then it drops all the way down to 48 and change, right? Now, when it made this push down here, these met on a new low during the session here, right? Well, the 9 o'clock session, the MACDs were positive. Then it pushes up from 48. We caught that long, got out like maybe 40, 51, 52, 53, pushes up to 73, makes a new high. We called this short. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. And then next thing you know, it got absolutely caboosed from 73 down to 36. Look at that. That's 37 points. Then here, look at this low here. Look at this low, right? This low right here. Okay, S&Ps were trading, gold was trading 26 or 27, right? And on that low, guess what? The MACDs did not confirm the low, right? On the 15 and on the 60-minute time frame right there, okay? And what happened? Boom, right back up. Caught this bear flag, and then it dropped about 15, all right? So anyway, it was a wild day here. Look at silver get cabooshed. Let me see. Silver is crazy. Yeah, I would buy this silver here, though. If this silver gets down to 70, 87, 67, 77, I'd buy it here on this silver. I think this gold's a buy here. If it gets to the 29.5, 36.5 range, you're going to get another push up here on this gold. All right. How is everybody tonight? Are we getting botted again, Denny? Really?
Yeah,
All right.
this is not crazy.
All right.
Last night was crazy because of how big it spiked.
Hey, how is everybody tonight here? Wow. How's everybody tonight? This is a great group here. Okay, this is a great group. Again, I would switch to micros on these here. Okay. Good evening, Jimwell. How are you? Fops. How are you, Fops? How was your trading? Oh, it was good, though. It was good. It was good. All right. Now, if you look at gold here, all right, if you look at gold here on the bigger time frames, let's go review the bigger time frames. The 60 minutes still bullish here. The 15's bearish, which means indicator 4, okay? The 30-minute time frame bearish, so we gotta look for shorts here, okay? Again, this will just be a scalp. If you want to sell the gold out, just look to scalp it short, 37. Look to kick these out 37 to 38 range if you're long. All right, just pushed up here. Again, Mikey Jacques, how are you? Silver, okay. How is everybody tonight? Oh, we're getting botted, Danny. So, how are you, Grimwell? Also, I'll be scaling out of this long on gold. Gold just rallied about 3 just now. You're out?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, again, see the 5-minute and the 15-minute MACDs? It bounced off that. Why was it an ugly day, ICT and GL? I thought today was easy. Okay, look at the spiders today, ICT and GL. You gotta learn to listen during the day here, cousin. Look at this. Look at the gold right back up. When the 15, first of all, there was underlying strength today. Trade with Stephen. Hey! 1 a.m. in Lisbon. Wow, beautiful. Portugal. Beautiful. God bless you. Why is anybody getting chopped up? Who's getting chopped up in the PMs tonight? Jorlims. Wow, look at that long on the S&Ps. Beautiful. Betty, you long NASDAQ? There you go.
$300 on 2 accounts is $600.
Good job. I'll be exiting longs here on gold. FOP S4444. What's up, everybody? We got botted, Denny. I can't take it.
All right.
I just don't want to get banned. All right. Alex, how are you? What do you mean you got smoked? Why? What happened? Oh, on the announcement where they claimed they denied it. 44 the Punisher. Anybody get that long on gold? Wow, Lee is up $2,200. Look at that silver, Lee. Did you get long down there on that? Oh my God. Wow, good job, Lee. I know. I would cancel the buy range here. Good job. Lee's up 2,200. Good job. Get in there. NASDAQ, kaboom, Mikey Jacques. So right now, there it is. The bull. How many people like that bull sound? Danny, do I have a code for my funded futures? Do I have a code, you said?
I said they can try SK or
Oh, let me see.
WP Casson.
Yes, I do. Absolutely. Look at the IWMs. If you're going to trade the Russell, you need to look at the underlying IWMs. Uh-oh. YY Buckley saying we need a new bull. Oh, my God. I used to work, but not more. Not anymore. Not anymore. You kidding me? I was teaching a class in Romania at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I haven't stopped. Emmanuel Carlo Ramos, hey, how are you? ICT NGL, you should listen to me during the day. Look at this S&P's rally, 58 up to 63. NASDAQ just kaboomed. All right. Now, the Russell, yes. So the Russell reverses to buy at 9:45 here, okay, on indicator 4. The 30-minute reverses to buy right here, okay, at 11:30, puts you into what's called a buy disconnect. Look at this ADX rising on the 15, okay, ADX rising on the 30, big buying pressure. Every pullback on the 5 and the 3-minute time frames. Here's a long, here's a long, here's a long, here's a long, right into the 10 bar. Here's a long. Every pullback was a long. Look at this gold. Oh my God. 35 up to 41. NASDAQ up 40. S&P's up. Hope you got that long down there. On the S&P, yeah.
I covered it.
Okay. All right. Or code, was it code YouTube you said? Okay. All right. Let's see here. Mikey Jacques, how are you? Lee, very proud of you. You go, boss. Here's Hugo. Hugo's here. We got botted again. 1,800, Denny. Terrible. This is terrible. All right. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? If you're new, I am offering a 5-day free trial to the live stream. Let's see here. Everything's turning up here. You know they want to keep the market up till the end of the year. Anybody have any questions? It's hard, tough trading NASDAQ this time, bro. I don't agree with you on that one. I don't agree with you. It's not 1,800, Nikki. It's botted. Or I don't believe it.
That one time.
No. That was bots on steroids. Forget it, please. Please. McClacey, how are you? McCalcy, glad to meet you. Very nice to meet you. Please, if you're new, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay. All right. Look at this gold. Oh my God Almighty! Just rallied $8. NASDAQ just dropped 10. All right. NASDAQ moves very well some nights during the U.S., during the Asian session.
What do you think about
HJ Love, 25. I'm not short in gold yet. Let's see here. How are you? Very nice to meet you. Okay, very nice to meet you, HJ Love, 25. All right. Gold was wild this morning. Are you kidding me? Are you crazy? Oil making new highs, crude oil. Very, 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 very wild here. Roger B. Where's Bob Barker been? Steve, I'm long since 42.40. Woo! On what? Gold? It's up $3. So I'd sell it. You're up 3, right? You said? Roger B, I'm new. If you're new on my SK Trading YouTube, there's a free 5-day free trial up in the pin section. Well, thank you for loving it. I love being here. Kaboom! Up 5 points on gold. Absolutely. What got kabooshed? Wink. Looking too short. Gold. I wouldn't short gold yet. Unless gold gets up to maybe the 46.5, 47. Damn it! I wanted to short those S&Ps and NASDAQ. Damn it. Damn it. Into the negative MACD. Damn it. All right, let me put this S&P up. Gold's the best. Gold's the best. See if this gold can get up to the 46.5 range. NASDAQ. Made you rot in hell. 62. 49.13. All right. If this gold gets up to the 46.5 to like 51.5, I would look to take Bitcoin. Doing good tonight. Yeah, Bitcoin is doing good. Bitcoin is bullish. So let me show you a little strategy here. If you can all watch me, please, by using my algorithms. Bitcoin's bullish on the 15. Bitcoin's a short, by the way, up here. Okay, 93,700. Just dropped 200. Look at the 30-minute. The 30-minute reverses to buy, with the MACDs above the pivot. Okay, you take the shorts on the highs. The MACDs are non-confirming. Look at the 60-minute time frame. Every new high, Bitcoin gets kabooshed. 94,181, kabooshed. 1,500 points. Look at this gold drop. Damn it. Good job, Lee. Yeah, that's a good job. So, even though you're going to get a push up here on Bitcoin on the 30-minute time frame, any new highs can follow with overbought conditions on the 30 and the 60. I say let them have them. Okay? All right? I say let them have them. All right? All right. Hello, Wasim Chukir. How are you? I already joined the pro plan, Roger B. If you did, please text me, Roger, 914-500-7484. I see you chill the rest of the week, Keith. You'll come back stronger on Monday. What happened to Keith? What happened? What happened to Keith here? Is this 4K watching real? Oh, 5,000, Denny. Come on, Denny. Denny, want to put an end to this or what? What is going on here? All right.
I have no idea.
You got to have orders out there, Purgatory Park.
The likes don't match.
No. If you got 6,000 people here, please like it. All right. Crude oil. If this crude gets up to like, this crude's going to drop. This crude gets up to like the 17 to like 26, 27, I would short it on the crude. All right. I left Hendrix home tonight. I feel bad. I missed my Henny. Oh. I missed my Hendrix. 1,100 likes. That might not. Okay, 6,200. 50, oh my God. Yes, they are effective for scalping, and I have to teach you that. Okay, I have to teach you that. All right, there goes the oil dropping already. Do you guys scalp? New only to looking to pattern trade. Okay, Ragav, I told you on the phone. Ragav is from Japan. If you want to trade patterns, you'll probably get anywhere between 4 to 8 great patterns a day. And that's throughout a whole day, Ragav. Okay? However, there's probably, Pac-Man, 50 to 80 scalp trades a day, just on the indexes, on gold, S&P, and NASDAQ, not including Microsoft, NVIDIA, Tesla, Coinbase. I mean, look at this gold drop. What was the high on the gold? Look at the high on the gold here. 65. 44.5, I think, right? 45, I think. Just now. No, and just on this bar. 44.90. All right, I'm looking for 46.5. All right. If this NASDAQ gets another push up, I look to short it. But all right, let's see if this gold can get a push up. 8,000 viewers? I don't believe it. Okay. SOXL and SOXS. Let me see. I like things that have volume. Okay, let's see. SOXL. Okay, it moves, but I mean, what are we looking at here? Okay, I mean here, 45, 48, 30 cents here. You're short it here, 46, 45, 10 cents. It's not something that I'm really particular. I don't like unless you're going to position trade it. Okay, Nasdaq, gold, S&P. That's it. Scalping. No, but there's also pattern trading on that, Roger. Okay? Damn this gold. All right? Regard, remember I told you. Christopher explained to him that how many scalp trades we can do in a day depending on volatility. All right. No, ICT, NGL, it's not real. Please. Okay? There's a free 10,000 people, there's a free 5-day free trial. Let me see how many people sign up. I can trade futures and IBRK. Okay. HJ Love, if you want to text me, you can speak to me here. Daniel Johnson, I'm new here. Stephen, nice to meet you. Okay, very nice to meet you as well. Okay? Anybody can text me. I'll give out my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. You're 22 years old and you're yawning. I'm 60, almost 63 years old, and I've been working since, and I haven't yawned once. How in God's creation can you be 22 years old and you're yawning? Can you explain to me? How could you be yawning at 22 years old? I don't get it. I'm 60, almost 63 years old, and I'm going like I make the Energizer Bunny look stupid. Okay?
I'm 29 years old.
I got this 22-year-old behind me yawning, and he's making me. You hear him yawning?
I do, but I'm 29 and I feel like I'm 50.
No, sir.
Hang on. But the military broke my body, so I have a reason.
It's the passion, Christopher.
Emmanuel said he's been yawning since 16 after 8 p.m. 16? That's true, Trade. I do have kids.
Chris, was this Chris? Chris, just text me if you want the free trial, 914-500-7484. Okay? Pure passion, baby. Pure passion gets me going. Somebody said to me today, will you ever retire? I said, never. Never. NEVA, never. Never. Steve, can you show the S&P? Yes, absolutely. Problem. All right. So this pattern here, oh, these 60s are going to turn up here. Oh, my God, these S&Ps are going to go. Oh, I'm looking for a nice pullback. Please pull back. Okay. TradeX, SK, and in my front of you, the most watched trading show in history. Yeah? Well, I hope those 12,000 people are right. Enthusiasm carries, oh my God, nonstop all day. I try to make trading fun. Okay? I try to make trading fun. Right? There goes silver again. Down, up, down. Love the silver. You guys should be trading. I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but, Danny Dan, anytime. Hey, my buddy from Finland. Hey, Zill. How are you, my brother? How are you, Zill? Where's Bob Barker? Bob Barker, we got to put an APP on him. All Points Bulletin. Yep. Don't poke the bear. Never. Never. Hey, Payman, how are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, this gold just got kabooshed. This gold, I want to short this gold so bad on any rally. Oh, okay. Definitely are making it fun. Appreciate Stephen. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Denny, this number's not real, Denny. What the heck's going on here, Denny? Come on.
Steven, at this point, I wouldn't even look at it no more. I would not even look at it anymore because we both know what happened.
Yeah. All right. A lot of people are blowing up my phone. I'll all get back to you. I return every single phone call. Literally, there is unusually a small delay, but if the prices are crazy different, make sure they're trading the... Okay. Very quiet here. Very surprised. Yeah, I'm just here for the free stuff. Oh, boy. There's 12,000 people ahead of you. How's that? All right. You made 1,700. Patrick O'Brien. He made 1,700 on S&P today. Great job, Patrick. Patrick, this was the key for today here. When the spiders reversed to buy here, okay, on the 15-minute time frame right here. So let me just teach you this right here. You see the 15-minute? It reversed to buy. It correlated with its 30 and 60. This was the short here. This is the long. Okay, great pattern right here. This is the first pullback on the 5-minute. S&P's got down to the 68.40. I was looking to buy 33.5, 39.5. Missed it by a half a point. Okay, CT clutch, absolutely, brother. MACD patterns help a lot in place to learn. Not too grubbed giveaways. There you go. Good job. Took my Bob Barker handle away, so I had to get a new one. Okay? All right. Let's see here. Sorry for the intuition. I'm here. So I have my own trading system, which is my chart overlay, and I am building right now, currently, with some developers to build some high-frequency models and also some really great trade alerts. Okay? EMM 794, how are you? Should I short NASDAQ? I wouldn't. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ on the 60. See this? The 15s. Okay, so everybody understand this strategy here. Okay? When you see the algorithm reversing to buy right here, and the MACDs are above the pivot, here's the pivot, you take the short, boom, right, Mikey Jacques, 72, 85, kabooshed, down 60. You cover and you go long. Look at this beautiful bull flag. And when these 60-minute time frames do this, bink, bink, right there.
That's on the 60.
That's on the 60. All right? I'm looking for pullbacks on the S&P and on the NASDAQ. That is correct. All right? That is correct. All right? That is correcto. S&P and NASDAQ are going to go higher. I think gold goes lower. Okay? Oh, there you go. Bob Barker's back in the house. He just changed his name. All right. How am I supposed to know that, really? Okay? I just cut myself. I always carry Band-Aids. I'm always getting cut. Oh, no. How's everybody doing tonight? Gold's moving very slow. Long's looking on. Yes, I want to buy pullbacks, but who knows if I'll get one here. All right. Pete Rose should be in the Hall of Fame. I don't want to hear it. Period. 4,231 hits or something like that. Raphael trades. How'd you do today? Wink. How are you, Wink? Chicken Trader. Go uninstall. How are you? Okay. All right. Well, we'll see if the 12,000 stick around. If there's 12,000, please have 12,000 likes. How's that? That'll do it. Okay. All right. All right. So just for everybody to know, Denny, okay, you have between 8:30 and 9 to do what? Sign up for the My Funded Futures account.
For the giveaway.
The giveaway. I'm doing great, Wing. Thank you. Debo. How are you, Debo? Anybody come down to Florida here? Thank you, Purgatory Park. I'm giving away a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Your people are insane if you don't take this. If you're new, okay? If you're new, and it's in the My Friend the Future's chat here, and on my SK Trading YouTube, it's pinned on top. Okay. How do you enter the giveaways? Denny, are you posting how to get to the giveaways?
It's already in. I'm replacing the pinned message at the top. That way they can sign up for it.
All right.
And then once this form is done, then I'll put your link back up top.
Thank you. How do you sign up for the giveaway? You have to go to My Funded Futures YouTube.
No, you did not, Dario. Nice try.
You have to go to My Funded Futures YouTube. How many people trade Bitcoin futures here? Orlando, Christopher, Christo, you're only 2 hours away. I'm about to be 48, and I'm here at night and in the morning. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm going to make a special announcement. Okay. I believe starting Monday next week, I will be on the My Funded Futures TV show from 10:30 to 11:30 every single day. Okay? Robert Lopez from Orlando. Robert, how are you? You're shorting S&P? Okay. Probably for a pullback. Yep. Okay. All right. NASDAQ just dropped about 10. I want to see gold get a push up. Okay. All right. Let's go. Let's go, Fernando. Let's go. All right. S&P's caboose boom. Yep. Nasdaq just dropped about 10. He's here. 65 just dropped 3. I want to see this gold get. I'm looking for a pullback on the S&Ps. If you're short the oil, just cover the oil at 16. Anywhere from the 13, 16. Oil pushed up here to 19. If you're short and you want to trade oil. All right, S&Ps here, gold. Kaboom, the likes. Let's go. Kaboom, the likes. I like that. That's a t-shirt. Kaboom, the likes. Monday through Friday from 10:30 to 11:30. Okay? Oh, yeah. Luke reached out to me, and I said to my good friend, I'll do whatever you want. Okay? I'll do whatever you want. All right? Let's see here. Okay. Come on, gold. Let's do something. Hello, Zachary Stark. All right.
Is that funny?
Huh?
It's me.
I know it's you, knucklehead. If I wore a T-shirt that said "Kaboom" the likes, am I getting random? That is pretty good. Hey, how about this one? The mouse is stuck. That was hilarious, though. Come on. This is quiet. You can't force anything anyway. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 10:30 to 11:30. All right. I will make that hoodie. All right. Would you look to buy the pullback on the NASDAQ? Yes, if we get one. Absolutely, especially with these 60-minute time frames look like they want to turn up. Okay? What was the giveaway? It's 5 scale accounts, I believe.
5 scale flex accounts.
Oh, okay.
Danny Adams said you gave me 4 great trades today. He said that to you, Steven.
What happened?
Danny Adden said you gave him 4 great trades today.
I don't even see where he's saying that.
At 8:35 p.m. If you look for Danny.
Oh, you gave me 4 great trades today. Oh, Danny Dan. Okay, thank you.
Danny Dan.
All right, come on, Gold. Give me a rally here. All right.
They're up like 15.
Oh, my God. You're up how much?
No.
Oh, forget the Knicks. I was losing money following the other guys today. All right. Well, thank you, Danny. Thank you. Hendricks is home. He's mad at me. Hendricks is home. Lee, we got to make up a T-shirt. The mouse is stuck. Okay? So only 200 people signed up for the giveaway, and we got 12,000. Get the hell out. This is crazy. We got botted. We got botted. Where's Jess tonight? Nikkei Jap market up 600 now. Let's go higher. Okay. Yes. Add 5 more for old times. Asked Denny. What happened with Hendricks? He's home tonight. I can't. I got 3 big guys, and you know what? I can't keep going back and forth with him. Tomorrow I'll bring him. I'll bring him tomorrow. My good boy. He's so good, my Henny. The mouse got stuck. Who was that lad? That was hilarious. I know, right? He does bring a lot up. I know. They I'm telling you, my dog, I'm telling you, he licks me. I'm telling you, he licks my arm. He licks my face. He's such a good boy. I saved that dog. I'm so happy I saved his life. Really. Really, I am. It's such a joy. And I think he knows it too. You know?
Oh!
Boom! What? I don't want to hear about the Knicks. All right? All right? Batushed? What kind of word is batushed? I think that's what we did just now. We just got batushed on YouTube. Do I have any cat? I don't have any cats. My kids have a cat. He's 18 years old. His name's Buddy.
18? That's awesome.
Okay? We should. I think we just got batushed on YouTube. Oh, last night when the mouse got stuck. Oh my God! Did you get that? Whatever I call it. Did you get that short on gold? And somebody said the mouse got stuck. Who's that, Lee? Lee's sending me a picture. I don't know. All right. 12,000. No, it's not real. Your dog's name is Bunny. What's the buy range for the Nasdaq? When I get there, I'll tell you. But I gotta wait for indicator 3. Oh, this gold. Come on. Is this gold gonna just torture me here? Watch. I'm gonna go short this gold here at 44, and it's gonna run. What's the old adage? You never short a dull market. Yeah. What is that picture of, Lee? I don't get the sense of humor. Yeah, TradeStation's having problems with that, I heard, and they're coming out with some new technology. New high in Nasdaq? I think so. Steve, I've been long since 42.40. It's go. All right, well, I would raise your stops, Raphael.
That's it, right up top.
My dog ate my trade. That's another good one.
So Steve,
What? Okay. Remember, you only have about 30 minutes to sign up for the for the raffle tonight. You only have 30 minutes here. Estoy enchilado nada. Okay, for 5 days. No, I have a 5-day free trial. It's in here. If you want to, oh, come on, do something tonight. Yeah, the Titan X is coming out. I heard about that. Stan Man, let's go, Stan Man. Stan Man's part of my community. Oh, I know, me too, brother.
What do you have on your
Let's see here. Wow. It's not 12,000 viewers, really.
show? There's-
Also, TradeStation has a new AI piece built in to the easy language, I heard. Somebody ring the bell. I go from 8:30 to 4, sometimes 4:30, and then you know what I used to do? I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning and trade the European session from 3 to 4 a.m., 4 p.m. the next day. You know that? I did. 3 a.m., the European session, right? And then I would go right through the New York session till 4 o'clock. What is that? That's 13 hours straight. 13 hours? That's Asia is on holiday? I don't know. Is it? I don't know. All I know is the mouse got stuck.
all kinds of help.
The mouse got stuck.
I read about it.
Hey! Hey, this is Zeke. How are you? Oh, this is Khan. Khan's watching. That's either dedication or lunacy. I think it's lunacy. Gotta drink plenty of water. I said to the people, anybody get that long on the gold last night? Or the short on the gold? Guy says, my mouse got stuck. Hey, Dorans, how are you? That's one person I never met, though. I was about to meet Paul. I met everybody but Paul. I hear he's a nice guy, though. I met so many other people. He was one of my people on my list. I hope to meet him soon. I know people that know him. And he's down here, I believe he's down here in Miami now. I know, we need some filler music. Denny, we were talking about doing some music, Denny, right?
Yes, we did.
What happened to that?
Me and Ash and Magnus are currently still looking into it because StreamYard it doesn't like to support it very much.
Oh, okay. I don't know. No, not a battery. No way. How do you trade with me? Go to sktrading.live and you can sign up. Or I have a 5-day free trial. Okay? I have a 5-day free trial. It's in the link there. Come on. Let's go here. If these, Jesus. What happened?
So I have a speaker if you
No. Bring a guitarist? Yeah, I know. You guys ever hear of a guy named Alex Fox? You want to hear some? I was in Miami like 20 years ago, and he was playing on the side, well, playing at a restaurant, and I bought his CD. Go look up Alex Fox. Up 800 on gold, trading the range. Good job. There you go. Are you still short gold? No, I never got short. I wanted to get up there.
it's good.
Yeah. Nasdaq's just moving 4. The 5-day free trial is right there. Do not go to SK Trading. for the free trial. The free trial, do not go to SK Trading for the 5-day free trial. There's a special link for the 5-day free trial. Come on, pencil up gold or something. Okay. I think Nasdaq and S&Ps want to get one more push up. Yep. There goes the gold. Come on, baby. Let's do it.
What's the range?
I will go probably here 46, 47 and a half to like 53 and a half. Or you can go, 47 and a half. Or you can go maybe 46.80 to like 51, 52.80 range. You got to scale into the, or 47 and a half to 53 and a half range. Got two different ranges there. Again, now you're pushing up on the gold. You're pushing up on the gold, and these bigger time frames here, the 30s non-confirmation, okay, and the 60s not doing it. Look at this, Jesus. This was wild today. This was absolutely wild. Now, if gold reverses to, look at the gold drop. If gold reverses to buy, okay, stay with me, on the 15-minute time frame right here, it'll correlate with its 60. You got to buy, then the strategy, oh my God, look at this gold drop. All right, if you're short, look to cover below 45 and a half. All right, Nasdaq's very choppy right now. I could swear he used to play at the Delano. Yes, I think so. Is that the guitar guy? Yes. Alex Fox. Go listen to him. Gold headed to 4,300. I think you're right, though. Especially if this... oh, my God. Look at the gold get kabooshed. Anybody short that gold? It hit the upper end of the range there. Look at that. 46.90. So maybe we're... Gold's bearish on the 60? Where do you see gold's bearish on the 60? I see bullish on my 60 here. Right here, blue over orange. Oh, all I know is I love it here, Zeke. Khan, I love it here. I don't know. What the hell is that? What? All right. You caught the gold, Dr. Zay? Where is this silver here? I gotta put this silver up. This silver is a beast. Oh my God. All right. Who thinks silver is gonna be over 60? Oh my God. Look at this silver. Okay, silver just reversed to buy on the 15. The strategy is you look to buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. Shilling. Okay. It's bearish on TradingView. I would go to a different time frame and hit it again. Boom. All right.
What do you think about that?
I'm looking for pullbacks here. My funded futures. Okay, gold 60 is orange in TradingView. I know, I don't understand why. Anyway, silver reversed to buy here on the 15. Silver now is bullish on the 15 and on the 60 here. Let me look at the gold. Yeah, gold's bearish here. Let me see. It is?
Yeah.
On TradingView?
Yeah.
They're right. I don't.
When did it flip?
Anybody short that gold up there? Even one lot?
Could you go?
It probably flipped negative here.
Flip next.
2 o'clock? Mine says 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Right. That's odd. I don't know why. Look at this gold just got cabooshed. $5. Just call Peter.
Who's that?
I'll give it to you later. Silver does not necessarily trade in tandem with gold. Okay? It does not. It does not. Okay? All right. So that's that. All right, let's just go with the fact that gold's negative here. Anyway, it just got cabooshed right there. I don't see a bull flag on the 15-minute time frame in the Nasdaq. Who's saying that? Trisha? I don't see that. Oh my God! Look at this gold. Oh, where do you see a bull flag? I'm just asking on the 15-minute time frame on the on Nasdaq. Oh my God! Look at this gold. You're long Nasdaq? All right. Could get another push up here. I don't know why he's doing that. All right. Use OBS is better than StreamYard? I think StreamYard is better. I don't know. Mikey Jacques, if you sold it, you only got one lot off. It didn't trade higher than 46.90 on the gold. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Lev saying it flipped. Everybody's saying it flipped negative. All right. So let's just go with the fact that gold's negative on the 60.
You don't have negatives.
I know, but everybody else is saying on TradingView. Is Nasdaq bearish or bullish? I have Nasdaq as being bullish on its 15, 30, and 60. Yeah.
You built it on.
I built it on TradeStation, but I also built it on TradingView. But the math can be different because of the two market data providers. Because it's negative. Everybody's is negative on TradingView. So basically what happens somewhere here, okay, somewhere here on the 60-minute time frame on gold, right here, you see it right here? It probably touched, went negative, but TradeStation didn't calculate it. So what time was yours flipping negative? I have 2 o'clock. It was 1 o'clock, then it was this bar here. 12 o'clock, can't be 1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1 o'clock on the.
Well, at 1 o'clock, it's nowhere near reversing to sell, so.
The bottom of the one.
Target 50 points,
Yeah.
top on what, NASDAQ? NASDAQ, I don't know yet. I'm thinking if the NASDAQ can get down to the maybe 15 to 20, 15 to 35 range. I don't know if it's going to get that. Gold just got absolutely cabooshed. 1 o'clock, it shifted bearish on gold. I don't see that.
Look at where the 1
I
o'clock
understand.
candle closed.
1 o'clock is right here.
Yeah.
That's 2 o'clock.
Close of the 1 o'clock.
I have the 1 o'clock. Here's 1 o'clock. I don't have it. I don't have it. So I'll ask Billy.
Here.
I'm using TradeStation, so anyway. Anybody get that gold short? I know it was only one stupid lot if you got in. Short NASDAQ on pullbacks? No, you short NASDAQ on bounces. You don't look to short. You buy pullbacks to go long. What entries are looking for? I go caboosh, 3 points. On what? On gold? Or NASDAQ? I think NASDAQ's going to turn up here. All right. Very, very quiet here today. I'm sorry. Got an hour and 5 minutes to go. Wow, good job, Claudia. Claudia got the short. Mwah, my Claudia.
So
Her loving
the
my
1 o'clock
Diana.
close on
I'm not going to argue with you. I'm
No,
looking
no,
at
no.
Trade Station. I can't help it. Before I kill
I
myself.
hear you. I'm saying the one
It
even on the 1 hour
mine closes every hour on the hour.
because
This freaking Nasdaq drop.
I'm
Yeah,
at 60.
Nasdaq, gotta wait. Hold the range on the Nasdaq, 15 to 25. S&Ps, I probably look to go long like 55 to 60 range. What's my thoughts on gold? What? Short, intermediate, long term. Please say, how are you? All right. There goes the Nasdaq. If you bought Nasdaq at 35, you should get at least 8 to 15 on the Nasdaq push up here. S&Ps, just there they go. You long S&Ps?
Yeah, at 60.
All right, good. Up 1.5. I would probably sell half. The 15s are rolling over here. Fine. What are you saying? Set back to what? Just unload and reload it and don't play with the settings.
Gold.
Looking for buys on silver. Look at this gold drop, $8 here. Silver. Silver's got, I would be buying this silver here. The 15's just reversed to buy here. You want to buy the first pullback on the 5. So if this silver gets down to like maybe the 92 to 02 range or 90 to even range, I'll probably look to buy the silver here. There goes the Nasdaq up 8. Nasdaq just rallied 8. Platinum just took off. That's another weird one. See if the silver can pull in a little bit more. Gold just dropped 9. S&Ps just ran 1.5. Nasdaq, there goes the Nasdaq. Anybody get the long on the Nasdaq? Yes, 15 reverse to buy. Good job, Ragav. All right, and the bar, what happened? Is Ninja beginning a bar trace? What? I don't understand that. Okay.
Filled on my
So this silver, the strategy here is the first pullback on the 5 minute after the 15 correlated. All right. If the silver can do this here. You bought this silver, you can look to sell 03, 04, 03 up to like maybe 05, 08. Fives are getting oversold here. Gold just got cabooshed.
Do you think
15s are rolling over. I don't know. I don't guess. I gotta watch the silver here, really. Okay. AWS services are having issues. One down detectors. Certain websites could get funky. All right, thank you for that. Bull flag on silver. It should hold here. Silver. Kaboosh. Wet Hawk trades. What got kabooshed? Oh, gold. Oh my God. Gold's down 10. What a short. Silver, hold up here. Will silver make new highs? I'm not so certain. Look at this gold. Oh my God. You could look to sell any silver here, anywhere from, depending on where you're long, 97 up to 02, 03. Silver is actually a completely different pattern here. Mm-hmm. Oh. Look at this gold. Oh my God, this gold got absolutely kabooshed. Could be stop orders here on this gold. If this gold gets down to the maybe 24 and a half, 30 and a half range, 10 points, can I get a bear growl? Where's the bear growl? Chicken trader, you cannot be down 1,500. Gold got, look at this, everybody's using my word, kabooshed. TT clutch. What happened? I did trademark it.
You trademark.
Hmm?
Good shit.
I'm actually in the Urban Dictionary too.
Are you?
Yeah. Here's a definition. Yeah, my friend Ian did it. Here's a definition. Oh my God, look at this gold. There we go. There we go. I'm in the Urban Dictionary. I said to buy gold if it gets down to the 24 and a half, 90 and a half. Captain Price, good job.
Kaboom was already.
I got Kaboom. I don't think I got Kaboom. Steven, you start charging royalties. Yeah. There goes the silver right back up here, Lee. I'm using kaboosh and kaboom in the next scramble game. It's a word. Kaboosh is a word in the Urban Dictionary. I swear you not. There goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, if you're long at 35. S&Ps, if you're long at 60. Just scale out of longs here. Okay? Where's this gold? Gold just hit 30.80. Gold's gonna get kabooshed here. Put some bids. I'm just gonna. Look at the 15-minute MACD. Non-confirming. Because the stop orders, I gotta stand for this here. 24.5 to 30.5 range if you're long. Anybody long the Nasdaq? Nasdaq just ran 15. S&Ps just ran 2. The range on the gold is 24.5 to 30.5 range. I would buy some silver here. If silver gets down to the 70.5, 80.5 range. How'd you get stopped in silver? Went up to 98. I would buy it again. I said, look to scale out of longs, 97, 98 up to 01, 02. Buying it. Yeah, I'm trading the gold here. Ragav, you should have started selling out the silver and then bought it here again at 80. If you're long the gold, look to scale out of gold above 29.5 to 30 range. Get the gold?
Yeah, I got
There it goes.
28 up.
I'm in the Urban Dictionary, Lee. Ragav, how'd you get stopped out on that? I said, look at the silver right back up off the 15. Should have bought it right back. Oh my God. Okay, you can't do single lot entry, Ragav. You can't do single lot entry. This is exactly what I mean. Look at the gold go. Come on. You got to scale in. I told you, one of the things I said was if I call a range, determine how many contracts you want to trade. What is the range? I'm giving it to you. Boom. Okay? Is that it? Anybody get the long on the gold? Gold just ran 5. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. I said go back in. I'd go back in. Man, oh man. Oh my God. Gold just ran 7. Look at this silver. 19 cents. Ragav, I understand you're new. Look at this 20-cent rally in silver. Good Lord God. I hope somebody bought the silver down there.
Yes, I'm touching low.
What a out on the NASDAQ. There it is. That's me. That's me. I invented the word kabooshed. All right? Ragav, you understand, Ragav? This is the first pullback. That's why I said, look to start scaling on the longs, because if it dropped again, as gold did, look at this silver up 22 cents. I want to kill myself. No, it's just, all right, you're right. I shouldn't. Aaron gets mad at me. All right?
It's not good.
Anybody? How'd you get screwed on the longs? I called the range 15 to 35. Oh my gosh. Ragav, you can't do single lot entries. Does everybody understand when I say single? Look at this silver, 15, 25 cents. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Silver made a new low here for the 9 o'clock session. The MACDs could not confirm, and this is the first pullback on the 5, okay, and it overreacted, and what do you look to do? You take them. You buy them, for Christ's sake. Right? I'm not trying to make you feel bad, Regav, but please, when you have to be able to determine how many contracts you want to trade within a range. Look at this. One guy's up 9,000. Great job.
Look at Pac-Man.
Where's Pac-Man? Get in there, Pac-Man. Christopher. Up 835, up 9,000, up 1,000. Explain your scaling now. If I call a range, so there's 4 things you got to remember, okay? 4 things, very simple. If I call a range, all right, based upon the pattern, okay, or a scalp, you have to determine how many contracts you want to buy or short, right? Right? How many contracts? Now, if this gold gets up to the 35.5, 36, I'd be looking to short it. Get in there. That's a t-shirt, Christopher. Get in there. Right? Okay. But, Ragav, what I'm trying to say, you can't do single lot entries. You have to determine how many contracts. So if you said, okay, I'm going to buy one contract at 01.5, I'll buy another one at 98.5. I'll buy maybe, 2 at maybe, I don't know, 95.5, 96.5, and I'll buy 2 more at 93.5. When it traded up to 98, 99, I would have started scaling out. Okay? So the first thing you got to learn, okay, good job. 550 on the gold, 540. You have to, exactly, Dr. Zay, how many, if I call a range, how many contracts do you want to trade? Ragav, so if you want to trade 3 micros, 5 micros, 10 micros, then the next thing you need to do is what? Number 3, determine where you want to scale into that range. Is it every 1 point, every 2 points, every 1.5, every 2.5, every 3? Okay, if I lined up 10 people will have different, all 10 will have different entries and exits. Okay? Number four. Okay? Number 4, how are you going to scale in? If you're going to do 10 contracts, are you going to go 112, 1144? Are you going to go 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, are you going to go 118? Okay, everybody's different, right? Everybody's different. Look, I had the gold on the lows. Can you believe that? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, what about it? I'd probably take a long here. 50, I'd probably take a long here. Like 3.5, 8.5 range. All right, Ragav, I understand it's a mistake, but I told you this morning, if you were listening, you cannot trade single lot entries. You can't determine how many contracts. Look at that oil short. Oil just dropped 15. What could have been the signs that gold would drop that much? Well, the fact that we were calling shorts up there, I mean, I didn't think it was going to go from 44 to 27. True Trade, look at this, up 9,000. What a job. True Trade. But whenever you do, you cannot fall in love with the position and you have orders in. The minute you have orders going in, you have to have orders going out, period. Okay? All right, this gold. Did gold get up there for a short? What was the high on the gold? That's a beautiful bear flag on the gold. That's a beautiful bear flag on the gold. Okay? I did not call shorts on the gold up there. Are you crazy? I did. I said 46.80, okay, to 51.80. I did call. I did not say that I expected a 15 handle drop. I did call it short up there though. How could you say I didn't call it short? Oil was a buy, not now. Oil just ripped 9.
And I hit 46.
How could you say I didn't call it short up there? Who said that? You scale in to a range looking for a pullback. On a short, you're looking for a range on a bounce. Okay? Who said I didn't call it short up there? I got to figure this out. Bitcoin up? Yes. Who said I didn't call it short up there? I don't agree with you, the Dom. I went right there. I went right there and I started executing orders. Right. I mean, it didn't go the whole range on the short on gold. I said 46.80 to 51.80. The high was 46.9. I did call it short. Okay. Some people actually text me they shorted at 45.20 just to be in. So that's their determination, right? NASDAQ, again, S&Ps, if you bought them. So anyway, I'm not going to argue over that nonsense because I know what I did. So I'm too old for this crap.
We can all bet.
How many points does gold have to, 8 to 10? 8 to 10? 8 to 10? Look, we just lost 7,000 people. Bots.
I feel like
You think silver's going to drop 3 points this week? I can probably tell you, I think you're 100% right.
I think these people.
This is too far overextended here. You're almost $4.50 above the 10-bar moving average. We just lost 9,000 people. Thank you, Robert, Aaron. Giveaways are at 9:45. Giveaways. The bots have their bedtime. Exactly. And you see this gold here? This gold's going to turn up. Look at this last time this gold. Boom. Up 204. Look at this gold. Up 200. Wait till this gold does this. And then this again. Watch. This next push-up is going to make new highs. All right. I said look to short the gold here. Did it get up there 35.5, 36.5?
You think it's gonna make new?
Yeah. Look at this. I missed the gold by 20 cents. Okay. Welcome, Angel. Everybody, welcome, Angel. S&Ps, I said look to buy S&Ps 53.5, 58.5. Gold just dropped 3. What a beautiful bear flag. When you see this here, this push up from the lows into the negative MACDs like this, I mean, what a look at this. I missed it by 20 cents.
The short?
Yeah, I called it short. 30, what did I say, 35.5 up to 40.5. NASDAQ, I think the NASDAQ, if you should look to buy NASDAQ even to 25. Okay, S&Ps 53.80 to 58, 53.5 to 58.5 range. All right. Let's see if this NASDAQ. You just lost 10,000 bots. Thank you for the short. You held a short that long? Wow. Good job. Good job. Anybody new here, you could I do have a 5-day free trial if you're interested, okay? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? It's not 12,000 people, it's 12,000 bots. I wish it was 12,000 people. $12,000 people shorted gold above 46. How's that? And they just said, that's it. And they said, that's it for the night. 12,000 people said, that's it, done. Right?
They made their money.
Jim? Okay. All right. Bitcoin, Steve, making new highs. Yes. I would probably think that if Bitcoin gets up to 94,100, I would look to short it. Because if you see here, you can see Bitcoin, gold, S&P is turning up here, NASDAQ. You can see here, right? This is the pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Just ran. Who trades Bitcoin? If you guys want to, if you guys want to do Bitcoin, I'm going to be doing my own Bitcoin channel too. The 30-minute turning up here, the 60 going to turn up here. Oh, it just got kabooshed. Wow, Bitcoin. I said short above 90, about 100. Look, I missed it by 26. Just dropped 200. S&Ps, Johnny, and NASDAQ, I would be scaling out of longs here. If you bought any S&Ps here, it's already 94,300. No, it's 93,800. I think 94. I agree with you, Jay Schilling. I agree. I like turnups. Inflate my fund the future viewers. Can I short NASDAQ here? No. The 15s are going to turn up. No. Right here. Look at the 15-minute time frame. If you're long the NASDAQ, I'd be scaling out of longs here. 28 to 35 range. S&Ps, Johnny, you get the long on the S&Ps, long oil. Now that oil was a good long, but oil got down to the 0506 level. Okay? Go look at this NASDAQ. Look at these S&Ps, Johnny. Bitcoin's not 94,300. Where do you see that? The high was 94,074. There goes look at the S&Ps rally. NASDAQ just ran 14. I'm looking right at it, right here, Stephen. Look, maybe for the high for the night. I don't even see 94,000. Where is he saying this? I don't see 94,300. Okay, there goes the S&Ps. There goes, who caught the NASDAQ and S&P? Good job, 57.5. Who caught the long on the S&P and NASDAQ? You shorted what? 24,350 on the net? What? I'm confused, Gary. I will long NASDAQ at 25,630. Why are you buying it here? I gave a range lower. Why are you buying?
I think a lot of people got FOMO.
What's that mean? You can't now. Nasdaq just ran from 19 to 20 to 36. S&P's just ran 3. If you missed the entry on Nasdaq, you do not. I would not look to buy it. Okay, the mouse got stuck. Ingalls sides draw 0. Welcome. Anybody new here? You could text me at 914-500-7484. I got screwed up on Nasdaq longs from earlier. Why? Johnny Fonts, did you get long on the S&P? Can we short gold again? If it gets a little higher, maybe. Like I'm thinking like 36 and a half. 36 and a half. Let me see this here. Where's this gold? Look at this. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Look at this silver. Okay, I think you should be out. The ADXs are rising on the 15.
I got my stop at 60.25. So
All right.
If it hits, it hits.
Nasdaq, gold, if you want to take a short here on the gold, I'll probably go like 36.30 up to like 41.30 on the gold. I'm scared to look at where silver is, to be honest with you. I'm scared to look at where silver is. Oh my God, 32 cents. Oh my God. Oh my God almighty. If you're short the gold, look, maybe 36 to 41 on the gold. Wow, look at this Nasdaq. Nasdaq just ran 20. S&P just ran 3.5. Wow.
More than that.
What about Nasdaq? What is a good price to scale out? I'd be scaling out of longs now. If it just ran 20. Good job, Flops. Good job. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my God, Nasdaq's still going. That was the pullback I was telling you about. I was waiting for it, right? Going to 650? Okay. Then raise your stops. Gabriel trades up 500. Told you it was going to go. I told you it was going to go. Good job, everybody. Good job. Got 20 points. Trader J, 22. Great job. Base hits, singles and doubles. Silver and gold. Silver. I'm sick to my stomach. Gold ran through it. Silver. Oil. Kaboom! There's the oil on the pullback on the 5. Silver and gold. I'm not live now. I'm live tomorrow at 9 a.m. at 8 o'clock. Wrote, how are you? Zil, where's my buddy Zil from Finland? When you register for the 5-day free trial, you get a free link to my Discord and my member Discord, where you could talk to me and you can hear me, okay? All right. Nice little longs there. Denny, you there, Denny?
I'm always here, Steven.
Denny, so we lost 10,000 people. So we're up 2,000. Is that right, or is that still botted?
I mean, it could be right. It could be botted. I don't have a way to tell, neither does YouTube. But I do know that at least the 10,000 people that was here was definitely bots.
Okay.
And when I did the giveaway, only 300 people signed up, or 399.
1 point gain on NASDAQ? What do you mean 1 point gain on NASDAQ? You bought at 36, you sold at 37. There's no reason to buy it at 36, but I'm calling along even to 25. Right? Look at this freaking silver. Look at this silver. I can't believe that silver hit 80. I
You want me to
immediately
do the
said,
giveaway, Steven?
what?
You want me to do the giveaways?
No, 945.
All right, all right.
And I actually said, buy it. I buy them. Yeah, crude just ran for 15 cents. Oil just kaboomed. Oh my God. Oil just got kaboomed. Gold just rallied 10 off the low. Well, 9 really. Silver ran 32 cents off the low. You guys, you understand this pattern? The 15 reverses to buy on the silver. Right? It correlates with the 60-minute right here. You have a buy disconnect. Cover the gold below 35.5 if you're short. I covered the gold. All right? Oh my God, look at this gold. What a bear flag. Wait till these fires roll over. Yeah. They said 36 up to 41. I don't know if you're going to get a pullback on the S&Ps anymore. Anybody short the gold? I would lower your stops. Hey, Siempre, Florida. Silver just dropped 8 cents. Anybody short the gold? Oh my God, gold just got kabooshed. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. Mikey Jacques, you get short the gold? Why are you buying silver at 39? It makes no sense to me. It's the strategy is that okay, I don't know. Aja, you shorted the gold? You can't, there's a way to buy. Okay, are you going to buy, let me ask you a question. You go to the supermarket, and that same pound of chopped meat is $12 a pound. But this same exact chopped meat is $3.59 a pound. Which one are you going to buy? Right? The lower one. Why do you want to buy gold after it just ran 25? Look at this gold. Okay? Johnny Fonts, you're the one who asked me about the S&Ps. Please tell me that you bought it. I'm not going to even answer the question. Look at this bear flag on gold. Look at this. This is a Picasso. Why are you not short the gold? Look at that. Double red short. You were told the market goes up 80% of the time. Okay, I can't. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know where that came from. I don't know which that or the mouse got stuck. I'm not. How could you tune up in the morning? Well, you could watch me. You can get the 5-day free trial, or you can sign up to my sktrading.live. Silver just dropped 14 cents. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. David, if you didn't jump on that pattern, David, I would tell you never talk to me again. Digicap, the mouse got stuck. Absolutely. There's no reason. So I got to explain this to you, okay? There's a reason why one of my 5 keywords is patience. You don't look to buy the NASDAQ here when I'm calling on the oversold condition in the positive trend here. I said look to buy NASDAQ even to 25. You don't buy NASDAQ here. You buy NASDAQ on the oversold. Gold target, who cares? I lowered. You just dropped $6. Good job, Johnny Fonts. I wouldn't be shorting gold right now. Gold was a perfect bear flag. Come on, Stan, man. Why you guys want to drive me crazy tonight? Look at this. This is the bear flag on gold. I said look to short 36 to 41. I've been doing this since 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at Isaac, up 600 on the gold. Anybody new here? God bless you. Anybody new here, please text me 914-500-7484 if you're interested in learning from me. My mouse got stuck. I love it.
You ready?
Do you understand? Oh, you're kidding. Thank God. All right. Do you understand here? You understand this pattern? Whoever bought the NASDAQ at 39, you buy it based upon the fact that you're in a bullish trend. The 15 and the 5-minute time frames were getting oversold. That's why I called the range. I didn't call the range here. I called the range here. Andre, have a good night. Andre, I leave this room to you one day, Andre. Okay? There you go.
Look at that.
What is the mouse got stuck?
I just made it.
Oh my God! I don't know what it looks
That's
like
what I
though.
was busy making.
Oh yeah, focus on the trade.
Gold shorts.
My cat knocked my mouse. I like the fact that my mouse got stuck is better. Sorry. I got the NASDAQ at 22. Good job. Yes. So if it dropped, you scale into more. Yes. Then you get that NASDAQ long or you're done. Mouse got stuck. Yeah, there it goes. So one night, comedy trading. I'm telling you, you have no idea. The greatest hits of 2025. My mouse got stuck. How about this one? One of my guys came to visit me from Texas. I love him to death. Don't mean so. Please, this is not any. So I said, look to buy S&Ps 29 to 30, 28 to 34, and they're dropping, right? And they get all the way down to like 31, and then they explode up to 55. I turned around. I said, did you buy them? He says, no, I was bidding 29. I said, you might as well bid 0. Ragav, did you short the gold? Ragav? Trying to help him. The gold short is very simple. The 5 correlated with the 15, and the 30-minute time frames are negative. Apparently the 60s are still negative based upon trading view. You short the first bounce into the negative MACD, right into the 10-bar moving average. It was an absolute Picasso. Take a picture of it and frame it. The oscillator got up to oh my God, the oscillator got up to like 84, 85. Hold on, I gotta talk to Ragav over here. Give me a second. Look at this. Do you understand this pattern right here? The high is 36.9 and it closed at 31.7. It dropped 5.2, right? When gold was trading up here, this oscillator was in the 85, 87. Now, because I like the bars, not candles, you can see the open and the close. So, because this oscillator, okay, is dynamic, but when the bar closes, it closes what's called end of bar. Meaning, since gold dropped $5, the oscillator, which was up here, closed here. And it closed at what? 62.08. But when gold was $5 higher, the oscillator right here, okay, right, okay, the oscillator was in the mid 80s, Wagav. Okay? Jess, I need help. Okay? Listen up, people.
You ready for my question?
No, not yet. Okay? And you have to understand the pattern. The 5-minute time frame reversed to sell. It correlated with its 15, 30, and 60 since trading views negative on the 60s. Look at this beautiful bear flag. Negative MACD, rising ADX. Negative MACD, rising ADX. Big selling pressure. This was a layup. Hello? Oh, tell me you got short.
Yeah, I did.
Good, thank you. If you didn't, I would have ruined my night. Did you get short up there? The gold? You had too many beers. I know Michael Lenz got that short. Right, Michael Lenz? Okay? It's an absolute Picasso, Gary. Absolute Picasso. Michael Lenz. Exactly. You're not chasing it. And again, Ragav, I called the 36 to 41 range, right? Let's say you sold one at 36. You sell one more at 37 and a half. Michael made $4 on the gold. Good job. Okay? Oil making new highs. Denny, you ready for the giveaway, Denny? In 1 minute?
Yes, sir.
Or 2 minutes? Yes, you can ask me the question.
Since they
You could have, yeah. Could have used the 3. That's not a bad question. The 3 here,
backhand
3 here was at 86. Here, 30.
to 95
No,
before that bar.
right here. This one probably got to maybe like a 90.
Alright, thank
You're welcome. So when the ADXs are rising on the double red short, even at 3 minute the ADX was rising, Ragav, the negative MACD, right? That's a great pattern. The new low, the bounce here, boom, and then the final death blow on the 5 minute. Beautiful short. Claudia, did you get that short above 36 on the gold? Diana, any of you? All right, Denny, it's all yours, brother.
All righty. Let's see who's going to win today.
Denny, we got 2,000 people. Is that real or that's botted still?
No, it might be real, Steven.
All right, wow. That's a beautiful short. I said to negative MACDs, John.
Chazah. I have no idea how to pronounce that name.
I don't understand how you say my charts are confusing to read. Is there some intro to the... Yes, there is. But you have to be part of my community, okay? And I teach it all day long, right? I use 3 time frames, a 15, 30, and a 60. I do use the 3 and 5 minute time frames for entries and exits, but it's all based upon my algorithm on indicator 4. You can see I'm negative here on the 15. I'm negative here on the 30. Okay, I'm in a negative trend, and I'm also, well, apparently I'm bullish here, but TradingView is saying negative, so I have to check that tomorrow. I don't know why. I've never seen that before. So anyway, even if you're in a negative trend or a sell disconnect, this negative 5 reverse to sell, you short the first bounce on the 5 minute time frame. Sorry, Denny, go ahead.
No, you're good. I had to move on because that guy was not answering. Caterpillar Trader. Hey, congrats, Caterpillar.
My scale with the payment, I'll bring them.
Martin, are you here?
Oh, Martin. Hey, Martin. Gilbert Manuel, what did I miss? Oh, my God.
Hey, I see you, Martin.
Oh, good job.
Ednar, are you here? Or Edna Ritchie? Edna Ritchie, I see you. Raphael, it might be slow because there's news in the morning. Unemployment reports come out. TDL Futures, are you here?
Oh, I seen him.
You seen TDL Futures?
Thought so. I thought I saw him today.
Hey, there you are. And last but not least, Claude, they're just trying to troll. Son of Wall Street, are you here?
I have not seen him tonight.
I saw him earlier tonight when the show first started.
Talking about my brother. You need 2 beers every night. See?
What are you talking about?
I'm proud of you.
Yeah, no.
I'm proud of
Son
you.
of Wall Street did not win yesterday, Wink.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But you hit your goal, you stop. Now, can I teach you another thing?
Yeah.
Just my personal opinion, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a couple accounts during the day
Yeah.
and 1 or 2 at night.
During the night, yeah.
That's it.
Jay
I
Sean,
told
it
that to
says it comes
Crystal,
out
I told it to
tomorrow
everybody.
on
Crystal was there.
Forex
Yeah,
Factory.
I told Diana the same thing. It makes sense.
Correct. No, that,
Okay? Good job. I'm proud
Son
of
of
you.
Wall Street.
You got
Are
another
y'all able to
mask
tag
on?
them or no?
You have more
oh,
masks?
yeah. Good because
All right. He's gone.
Yep, I think he is. Son of Wall Street going once. Going twice. And he's gone.
Yep, tomorrow, AMD with some really great patterns today, AMD.
Motocross.
Website actually.
I don't know.
No, I'll check it tomorrow.
I don't know. This seems pretty real. This is the most ever if it's real. He's not here.
Not here.
The mouse got stuck. Good night, good night, Nick. If I'm Nichi Gumo. All right.
Germini? Germini, are you here?
Well, that's it. I think that was a pretty good day. I mean, it wasn't bad. We caught long on the S&Ps, long on the Nasdaq, long on long on gold, a short on gold, a long on gold, a short on gold. Not bad. 6 trades tonight. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Hey, if they're able to... Oh, I see you, Germani. I'll give it to you.
There he is. Get in there.
All right. I saw that they answered. Rocky, I saw.
Missed my Hendrix. Killer moves, Steven, right? Hendrix. Yeah, I can't wait to go home and see him. Thank God I only live like 5 minutes away. I'm gonna walk him. He'll take me around the neighborhood for about an hour. Does his patrol. He does his patrol, and then I gotta give him a little treat before he goes to bed. Then he plops in the corner of the couch, and he starts snoring. He's such a good boy.
You know that
The what?
the beef tripe snack?
Oh yeah, I got him right there.
So
Hey, I know all y'all saw me
He's
tell
selling dogs.
Sharo he needed to DM me his email. So if he doesn't do it today, he's SOL.
Wow. All right, not a bad day here. S&Ps are still pushing up. This ran 5. Nasdaq 19 up to 42. Not bad.
yes.
I want to thank. How do you know when to quit trading for the day? I don't. I keep going. I'm 43 years. I mean, you guys should know. Set a goal, daily goal for yourself. Me, I just keep going. I don't care. Anyway, I want to say thank you to My Funded Futures tonight for sponsoring tonight. Thank you to Aaron. Thank you to Denny. Thank you to Luke, Matt, all the people behind Ash, behind the scenes. I wanted to say thank you. Again, we're here tomorrow from 8 to 10. Also, starting next week, I will be on My Funded Futures TV on my own show from 10:30 to 11:30. Also, I have a podcast here on my SK Trading YouTube. The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. I really think you guys should watch it because I go over a lot of great patterns and I really teach you my software and how these patterns, based upon pure mathematics, repeat themselves. So with that being said, I want to say I think that's it. I mean, it's really quiet here. So Denny, make sure you book a reservation.
I will.
Try to find it's in the Fountain Blue. Silver and gold.
I think my kids got me sick.
You're sick?
I feel like I'm getting sick. You know how
gotta
when your body starts aching all
take
over?
some zinc and elderberry.
About to take some NyQuil.
Take some NyQuil, you're out. All right. Okay. 4 minutes to go, Denny, and we're going to wrap it up. Okay? Nothing going
All right.
on. All right, everybody. Have a great night. Again, thank you. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Denny. Thank you all for being here. I pray this number is right, 1900. This will be a record. Okay?
It's right.
Right?
Yeah.
How do you know? You checked it?
Yeah, check it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. How'd you check it? All right, just, okay. All right, with that being said, have a great night, everybody. Have a great day trading tomorrow. Be consistent, be smart. God bless you, and of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, Denny. Good night, everybody.
Good night, Steven. Good night, everybody.